Hey girlies, hey friends, welcome back to another hair vlog. Today's hair vlog is sponsored by Wiggins, and if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful install, keep on watching. So inside the Wiggins box, they gave me an elastic band, a wig cap, and some lashes, as well as a comb. But here is the actual wig. It's such a beautiful, beautiful lace. It's already tinted and also came pre-plucked, which I always love. And here's the beautiful curls. I love, love, love. Details will be down below for the actual hair details, but let's get straight into this install.
Jose Wheel.
We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew that we was on? Would be tragedy. My niggas be globe trotting like travel teams. You always in my travel dream. Lace up 2, 3 stripes and I'm gone. But you just want me home. Shorty hit my jack like what the f you doing? Bitch, I'm on and on. You impress me now? She gon' stress me out and cuss me out. I had my fair share of when that feelings don't catch me now.
Don't act like I'm average. You want me home. I get you what you want. Superstar status. You want me alone. You held me up and now I was down and out. But I don't want you waiting around. So baby, I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not a whole girl, but I got things to do. It's so much to be your boyfriend. Come on, and you ain't making this much easier.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the choke. I was at a lawful word first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. You're looking for in the daytime with a light.
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. The problem, I don't see the ring on your hand. I'll be the first to admit it. I'm curious about you, you seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
you're looking sweet tonight. You find it every day, girl. Wish that I could love you right in a special way. You light my fire. I feel alive. Look at me, you blow my mind. I'm satisfied.
So y'all, here is the ending process. This is her doing her finishing touches. As you guys can see, I'm really much feeling myself. Like, I feel really, really cute. Thank you so much, Wiggins, for sending me this beautiful install. If you guys are watching, go down the description down below and go shop Wiggins, especially this curl pattern. Like, it's so tea. Thank you so much, Wiggins. I'll see you guys in the next one.